Hi, in this video today we're going to be removing the side cover on this Siemens EQ300 coffee machine. So it's really easy to do, and it will give you access to the control board and also things like the little switch, the little safety switch here that deals with when the doors close. So you can have a look around the place and see if you can see the reason perhaps why your machine's not working. Now obviously before you go into your machine, make sure that you are not connected to electricity, so it's unplugged from the mains electricity. If you're worried about spilling water, you can take out the container at the back. Now when we open it up, we only have to undo 4 screws, 2 at the front and 2 at the back as well. We're going to need a Torx 10, so a T10 bit. It doesn't have to be a security bit, it just needs to be a Torx 10. If you're wondering what Torx bits look like, they are these ones here, kind of like star shaped. So let's start undoing. We're going to have to remove this drip tray and undo this screw here. So we're going counterclockwise, and we're undoing this screw here as well. Then we need to turn it around, and we have 2 more screws, but they're different screws. They're slightly shorter, so keep them separate. And we have another one just here. Now, that's it. To take the side off, all we have to do is slide it towards the back. So just slide it a little bit towards the back like that, and then it will come out from the top bit and you lift upwards. So there's a little lip here that clips into the bottom. Now, as you can see, this will give you access to this little switch here. Where the door closes, it goes in and it hits this switch here, so you can check that with a multimeter, and it will give you access to the control board here, so you can make sure that everything is plugged in like it should be. Once you want to put it back together, it's so easy to do. All we have to do is put the bottom bit in first, so we're going to put the bottom lip in first, and do it so that it's around about 1 inch away from the front here, and you will see that these little clips here will go into here. So bottom bit in first, and about 1 inch away from there, and just give it a little bit of a wiggle and it will just slide to the front again. So you can see how easy that is. Just like that. And then we're just going to do up the screws again. So the 2 longer silver screws at the front, this time we're going in clockwise. There you go. So you can see with just a Torx 10 bit, it's really easy to take off the side panel. Thanks for watching.